After the events that happened the other day, the others haven't been taking this very well.
It's alright, honey. We gotta go find our son, too. What's we going to do without the soldier? I don't know, Mario. Just remember, he's always in a better place. Excuse me. Where's he going? Probably out to scream. So that's not a lot. Yeah, I know. The fuck is that? I just can't do this. What? I think I see something. Over there. Hang on. I see it. What's this? Hello? What the? Who are you? Help me out, please. I've been stuck here for weeks. Luckily, there's been no rain, and then my battery would be dead, even though I don't even have any batteries. Who are you? I need to know your name. Diesel 10. I was taking a load, and then I just randomly crashed out here, in the middle of nowhere, with a bunch of balls, and grass, and nothing else. And that's basically it. Where did that come from? So, well, right now it's autumn. Autumn? Oh, well, okay. Okay, I'll help you. Well, you weren't kidding. You were putting a load. How can you ride? There's no tracks. That's the thing. I'm magic. Well, we all are. Especially in this video, which doesn't make any bloody sense. If this was the thumbnail, I would be very happy. Well, with iPhone... Fuck you, birds. It's true. Well, with an iPhone, it just chooses a random clip, random picture from the video. Since we don't have a laptop anymore, what happened to the laptop? He punched it. You punched it? Hey, it was being a bitch. Can you take me home? Oh, yeah, I can take you home. Oh, so where are you from? The island of Sodor. Okay, I can take you there. Oh. Why do we even have these connected? Thank you. Oh, you're back. Oh, thank goodness. I'm still a clone. Well, gotta go back to my family. Oh, Mario's back. Hello. Did you calm down? Yes.
Now that's an impressive attack.